Next on my outdoor adventure list, river rafting on the Vorderrhein.
This is one of the source rivers of the Rhine. I make a quick train change to get to the town of Ilanz and meet up with my guides from Wasserkraft to put in at the river.
Now we're traveling through the Swiss Grand Canyon, and it's experiences like this, a day like today, this is why I travel.
There's nothing quite like rafting to get you out in the wilderness, working as a team, having fun. This stretch of the Vorderrhein is especially spectacular, framed in steep chalk walls created by a huge landslide at the end of the last ice age. All that geologic churning left a roller coaster of rapids for today's rafters. Now it's back aboard the Glacier Express and on to Andermatt.